We're so wildly unprepared.
I'm trying to figure out where we are.
Well, I think we're in Colorado. Safe to say that.
So we're at 11,000 feet right now. Turn right and follow Montezuma Mine Road to the end, which is well over 12,000 feet.
I gave in into a big fluffy hat. Game changer. So if we don't make it to the peak by 1, we're turning around. That's a rule. That's how it keeps you safe. Making sure you're off the mountain by sunset. It's so far away. It's so awful. I'm so tired. I feel like I'm moving at snail pace, but I'm just not used to the altitude. Whose idea was this? I feel like I've been walking for 32 years.
Many unbearable hours later.
What I don't understand is that we're still on this road. Why couldn't they just have paved this road and just made it easier for everybody? You know, just drive up the peak. Why make me hike this? William, any tips for route finding? Because we kind of just facing this boulder field and the trail just kind of ends.
I'm looking for cairns.
How do you say it?
Cairn.
Karen. Cheers. Yeah, this is really not good. Just grabbing a rock and holding onto it, you don't know if it's gonna hold you. So when you grab it, you gotta test it and then put all your weight on it. Fuck, this is scary. This is the freaking trail. So we got off trail, so gotta be really careful. Wilma, you okay? So close, but so far away still.
Good job.
Thank you. Can't believe we made it after all that crying and whining. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Another one accomplished. Where's it at? Castle Peak. Ooh, check out this rock. I'm gonna show you a life hack. Everybody ready? Use it as a chair. Alright, that's how it's done. Here you go, you got a bathroom.
It's called the one cheek sneak.
So I do, more like one cheek.
It's one technique.
There you go. Luxury. 5 stars.